What's up, my lovely bobbies? Today I'm back in Mohit's car and we're going for
Nishok and Kavin are back on the vlog and we are currently headed towards Indiranagar to grab pizza. We're going to Pizza for Peace because Hari got us a reservation. Our reservation is for 4:15 but it's already 4:08. Do you think we'll make it on time?
We won't, and it's all your fault.
How?
Who wants to work out for 2 hours? Today I'm early.
Today Nishok.
I'll say whatever I want.
Today I am late by 5 minutes.
I like how these two are the ones arguing. I am always the one on time. One of these fuckers are making me late and they both are arguing. What I should do? I should sit here and fucking sleep.
Look at the twins, guys. So cute. Man's wearing Goa outfit in Bangalore.
Yeah, Mohit had to leave Goa early, so I didn't want to reduce the shock, you know.
Easy, what do you say, transition?
Yeah. Anyway, Mohit will have more fun now.
Bobbies, we made it just in time. They held our reservation till 4:30. We walked in at 4:30 exact. What happened?
Where's my cap, bro? Because he's fucking lying.
Guys, we walked in at 4:35, but they were kind enough to give us a spot. We've ordered so far some Diet Coke and 2 pizzas. We have a mushroom pizza with a half of pepperoni and an entire Tokyo chicken curry pizza. Guys, they also had a peri-peri pizza that I used to enjoy, but they took it off the menu.
You can get a decent peri-peri pizza almost anywhere.
That's true.
Maybe that's right.
That's true. Even Toto's has a great peri-peri.
Brick oven.
Brick oven peri-peri is good.
They come in comeback, bro. They put full new menu and all. They were really bad for a few years.
But yeah, they fucked up my favorite pizza here at Pizza for Peace, which was a peri-peri chicken pizza. Now it comes with pineapple. So anyways, we went with a full Tokyo chicken curry and a pepperoni.
What did he say when they can't like not put the pineapple?
Yeah, I told him don't put the pineapple. He's like, sorry sir, we cannot customize toppings. Same with Smash guys also. They don't cut the burger for you.
They are very particular.
They are very particular about their final product.
You guys want to know one story about this straw?
This is edible straw, right?
That's what I thought, bro. And I tried to be all funny and I went and I chipped my tooth.
What?
That's how hard it is.
This is not edible.
It is edible.
It is edible.
It is like the same thing they make pasta, spaghetti out of, but it's like it's
you
very
have
hard.
to let it sit.
Yeah, you have to put it in hot
sit.
water.
Okay.
Yeah, I chipped my tooth, bro.
Show me.
Very small. You can't see. It's this tooth, bro. You can't see one very small thing came.
I like your tongue work, bro.
They all do, bro.
Nishok loves it, right?
I don't want to reveal your secrets, Kavin.
I hate the straw, by the way. It ruins the taste of Diet Coke.
Really?
Yeah, it gives it a weird taste, bro. Just try drinking it without the straw. Felt it?
Not really, bro.
Reset your palate. Give him something to reset the palate, bro. Chili oil. Reset your palate with chili oil, then drink Diet Coke.
Are you crazy?
Felt it?
Now the problem is I don't know if I'm feeling it because you all are telling me I should feel it. That's the problem.
I guess you haven't had enough Diet Coke, bro.
Oh.
So they gave us this tablet with the menu on it and they forgot to take it back. So Kavin and I are taking pictures now. Hey, what the fuck did you just do? That's Nishok behavior, bro. Bobby, Top G is here. What's up, bro? You're treating, no? Why? Why, boss? Guys, he got a bike also 2 days back. When I was in Goa, he got his new Ather delivered. So he just bought 2 vehicles in a span of 7 days and he's not treating.
So I'm broke right now.
No, he bought the 2 vehicles. How will he treat you?
I'm treating for sure. Don't worry.
Bro, sell the car.
Send it back, bro. The Tokyo chicken pizza is here, Bobbies. Now let's dig in.
You have to spread the leaves.
I didn't see. I was looking at you, bro. Sorry, you're so distracting, bro. You're so pretty. Face card too strong, bro.
Fucking put the pizza on my plate, bro.
Alright, bro. Here you go.
Hey.
Hey, you only take that. Here's the pizza, Bobbies. Pizza for Peace has the best chicken.
Best pizza in Bangalore.
Like this.
Bobbies, I'm now trying Kavan's favorite pizza here, which is a premium mushroom pizza. He says it's the best veg pizza he's ever had.
Yeah, and I don't eat veg, bro, so that's saying a lot.
Holy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Labs.
It's good, huh?
It's insane. That mushroom.
Fuck the protein, bro.
Oh, dude.
This is insane.
Don't get one of this.
That mushroom pizza that Kavan suggested was so good, we got another one. Can't believe that I'm eating vegetarian today. Well done, Kavan. You've converted me.
Like I said, bro, everyone in my life, there comes a point when they realize, oh, only I listen to Kavin.
At some point in your life, there'll come a time where you'll realize Kavan was right. Today was that point of time in my life.
See, usually Kavin is right and usually people agree, bro.
Okay, boss, let's eat. Bro, they've given us some frozen dessert on the house because they took forever to get our pizzas. So they are saying, we're so sorry, here's a frozen dessert on us. Bobbies, check out Top G's new scooter. Insane. Man didn't wait for me to come back to Bangalore. Had I been here, we would have gone to the showroom together. Kavan went with him. They picked it up together.
And Adit as well.
The day he got his car delivered, he was supposed to get the bike delivered as well. Unfortunately, we didn't get it that day.
That was a fuckery from showrooms end.
Why?
So I got a fancy number, same number as my car.
Oh,
So like, in order to get this, they couldn't.
got it. Bobbies, let's take Aether for a spin. By the way, I've never ridden Aether, bro. Never. There's no ABS, huh?
There's no ABS.
Why electric no ABS, huh?
Scooter, what ABS?
what ABS you want? Passion control of you want.
Hey, you can put music, huh? Put bro on Chandan Shetty.
I mean, not like a loud music. Bluetooth you can connect it.
No, I want on this. Speaker is not there.
It's only in the Chapri Ola.
No
copyright, bro. Don't sing that good.
Okay, I'll take it for a spin. Wait, move.
Hey, elbowed.
Elbowed is crazy, bro.
Oh, you look like an idiot.
Yeah.
Look at.
It's crazy. And it's fast. Fast as fuck, boy.
Bro, yesterday it was raining. So I was coming back from Kora, okay. I slammed the brakes. The bike literally went like that, bro, and I shat.
That and all I'm used to because my Enfield also doesn't have ABS, no?
Yeah, same.
Wheels lock up. I changed my what?
Your diaper, bro.
What the fuck, bro?
Today, Kavin's on a roll, bro. Anything
Today,
and
Kavin's
everything
making
he
fun
says.
of me too much,
So
bro.
this is the problem, my approach.
Okay, what do we do now?
Bro, Forex. There's one 500 meters away.
Forex for what?
I want to exchange money.
Thailand money.
No, USD.
Bobbies, we've reached the money exchange spot. Let's see how much we can get for Kavin's $103.
Hari's doing the bargaining, bro, because I think you guys know by now, Hari's the
Hari sorts it, right?
the best at all this, bro.
Yeah.
He's sorting it, bro.
Kavin walked in with $103 and he's walking out with $103 because the spot we went to stopped doing Forex exchange. Second spot is Unirich Forex. Hari, can you sort us?
Second try.
Second try.
I don't know, bro. Let's see.
For $100, how much, bro? At least on 9K we should
9K,
get.
bro.
Bobbies, he got cash, Bobbies. 9,300 rupees.
Keep the change, bro.
I'll take it.
Just for you, bro.
I'll take it. I have the perfect use for your cash, bro.
No.
Let's go there.
Where?
Thai spa.
Fuck you. I don't go in Thailand, only your elbow.
Come on, bro. 9,300 rupees. We can all get a massage, bro. My Uber Black pulled up, guys. My Uber Black is here. What's up, G?
What's up?
How you been?
Good, how's go?
Goa was amazing.
How is pizza for piece?
Hi, bro.
Sexy. We had a veg pizza today.
Why, G?
It was insane. It was better than chicken.
That's fucked up. That's not possible.
Exactly my point. It was that good, bro. Where are we going, by the way?
Samsung momos, bro.
Samsung Momo. Hey, you lead, huh?
I am done, boss.
I'm done.
You leave.
I lead. When can I say no, boss? Post-workout nutrition for our boxer Bobby. Samsung Momo. After momos, our boxer Bobby is getting some lime soda for hydration.
Guys, we're back at Om Ganesh Juice Junction.
Om Ganesh juice, guys. This is the second best juice center in Indiranagar.
Second best, bro. But it's starting like in time lime soda, it's becoming my favorite.
Okay, what's the number one though?
Shabri Juice Junction is good. Our mom's.
Oh my god. It's like saturated with salt, bro. Kavin also got one, but he got sugar and salt. Say bye to Mr. Shady. See you, boss. When are we seeing you next?
1 week.
1 week, huh? Okay. Fight night. Yeah, Adit's fight is coming up. On 18th April, Adit has his first boxing match. He's winning. Okay, there's no doubt about it. I've seen that dude move. Okay, he moves like.
Yeah, he just moves different, bro. Like fucking Slim Shady,
You
bro.
want to put that clip there? You want to put that clip there?
Which clip?
You and Adit
You and
fighting.
Adit
Oh,
fighting.
man, Adit fighting was crazy. Bro, Adit landed 5 punches in a second. I didn't even see one, bro. Never mess with a fighter, guys.
Slim Shady, bro.
Yeah, Slim
And-
Shady.
And then talking about Slim Shady, look that side. Look there.
Oh my god, he's on my car. Would you do this to your Verna?
I have literally sat on each and every car my parents have owned. I've not done anything. But yeah.
Hari lost his phone.
Okay, fine.
Where is
I
it?
can't call you.
So can I have 2 minutes of your time?
Tell me.
So 15 Pro, so completely real.
16.
Hey, 15 dal 16. So don't tell me about my product. So completely free, so just for you.
Hari is left, Bobbies. And it's time for us to now go towards Whitefield, where we live.